Hi, in this tutorial video, let's learn how to set up loyalty program page in our new customer accounts page. Start by accessing the settings in the Akohub marketing app. Inside the customer accounts page, look for the option to set up under loyalty program page. Simply click Install. Click the Add icon to start configuring your loyalty program page and enhance customer engagement effortlessly. Select accounts to integrate your loyalty program page into the new customer account page, streamlining their experience. Choose Add to New Customer Account Page menu. This menu is only shown on the new customer account page and does not affect the rest of your store. Simply click Save. Merchants have the flexibility to edit the label. By default, it's set as a loyalty program page. Click Save once you're done. Close the configuration interface. Now let's learn how to access your loyalty program account page on your website. Go to your store page and click on the profile icon. Click on the loyalty program page in the new customer account page menu. This is what your customers will see in the loyalty program page. Now let's learn how to customize the content and languages. Scroll down to Content and Language. Click Edit Content. You can customize 3 languages: traditional Chinese, English, and French. Play along and customize the details in your chosen language. If you need any help, contact us at service@akohub.com or book a 20-minute free consultation at Calendly.